these or put them on over?
You can put them on over.
Okay.
Perfectly fine doing that.
All right. Same deal.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Grab here.
Hand there. Rest your cheek on your knuckles there. And then fire when you're ready.
Do I need to? Oh, it was already ready?
Yep, already good.
Okay. Wow.
Rack it back.
That's freaking.
Just rolled out.
They just roll out? Yeah, they're going to a specific area. So it should be around here. You'll probably see like a line of vehicles.
So what's the attachment on the helmet?
This right here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is for my night vision. So
night vision.
Driving at night, the tanks and stuff, I can just switch on my nods here and then attach it on.
Oh, that's
have
awesome.
it ready to go. And then this is my light as well too.
Okay.
Some mechanicals going on, switch it on to red, blue, white, yeah, just to help me out in the field.
Oh, that's awesome.
Kill 1-2. Go kill him, man.
Thank you.
That was 2.
Cool. Hey, thank you again.
Absolutely.
It was awesome. I really appreciate you and awesome flight. So
Glad y'all enjoyed the flight.
that was really cool.
Very
Thank you.
I like how you also hit like some, it gets really cold at some points and the weather changes and.
Yeah, especially on the way out, it's a little bit chillier.
So why do we do a 180 and fly back east again? Why was that?
We made a sharp turn like we were headed
We were trying to get clearance for that airspace of the Airbus.
Oh, okay.
Map, it makes it make more sense. You can see.
Oh, you have an awesome job.
It's fun. Most
That is
days.
awesome. So
Yeah.
thank you again. Most days?
Most days.
Well, it's all about getting experience, right?
Desk job some days. But I'm
So-
not
I saw that. I saw your phone up there. I was wondering.
Yeah, so we were flying through 25, 24